Force A has a magnitude of 5 newtons and acts at an angle of 0 degrees from the positive x-axis. Force B has a magnitude of 4 newtons and acts at an angle of 90 degrees from the positive x-axis. What is the resultant force? The easiest way to visualize this problem is to graph it. Our first force, Force A, had a magnitude of 5 newtons, 0 degrees from the positive x-axis. That means that it is just along the positive x-axis. Force B has a magnitude of 4 newtons and acts at an angle of 90 degrees from the positive x-axis. This means that it is along the positive y-axis. In order to find the resultant force, we can form a right triangle with forces A and B as the legs, and the magnitude of the resultant force will be the hypotenuse. In order to find the magnitude, we can use Pythagorean's equation of a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. A can be equal to force A, which is 5 newtons, and B can be equal to force B, which is 4 newtons. Plugging into the equation, we get 5 squared plus 4 squared is equal to the magnitude of our resultant force, c squared. 5 squared is equal to 5 times 5, which is equal to 25, and 4 squared is equal to 4 times 4, which is equal to 16. 25 plus 16 is equal to c squared. 25 plus 16 is equal to 41, and in order to get rid of this square, we must square root both sides. Plugging into the calculator, the square root of 41 is approximately 6.4, and this is equal to the magnitude of our resultant force. In order to find the direction of our resultant force, we have to find this angle, theta. In order to find theta, we'll use the trig function tangent of theta is equal to opposite over adjacent legs. Then theta is equal to the inverse tangent of our opposite and adjacent legs. Our opposite leg is equal to force B, which is 4 newtons, and our adjacent leg is equal to force A, which is equal to 5 newtons. Plugging in, we get that theta is equal to tangent inverse of 4 over 5. And using our calculator, theta is equal to 53.13 degrees. Our final answer for the resultant force is that it has a magnitude of 6.4 newtons and is 53.13 degrees from the x-axis. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.